get a little exercise, get a nice walk in. There's a nice trail that runs down here to Boulevard. I used to run that in college quite a bit. So this is the path that was all underwater last time. So it looks like things have subsided and they figured things out down here, got things drained out and looking nice. You can see Mr. Seagull over there standing on top of the rock. See if we can get a little closer to him. He's not scared, is he? I'm probably about 6 feet away from him. Hopefully he doesn't get aggressive. Yeah, he's enjoying that sunshine, it looks like. He's got his eye on me for sure, though. This is my moment right here. Yeah, he's content with sitting in his little spot. He's like, I'm not going anywhere.